How to build wealth at a young age. Section 1. Setting financial goals. Start by setting clear financial goals. Define short-term and long-term objectives to give your wealth-building journey direction. In the vast landscape of personal finance, the journey begins with a roadmap. Today, we explore the transformative process of setting financial goals. Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly navigate the financial maze? It's not luck. It's the power of intentional goal setting. Financial goals are the missing pieces that turn your dreams into a tangible reality. They provide structure, purpose, and a clear direction for your hard-earned money. From the small victories to the grand aspirations, financial goals come in all shapes and sizes. Whether it's building an emergency fund or planning for retirement, there's a goal for every stage of life. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Dive into actionable steps, budgeting, investing, and adapting as life unfolds. Consistency is the currency of success. Section 2. Budgeting. Creating a practical budget. Break down your income and expenses. Allocate a percentage to savings and investments. Embrace a frugal mindset, identifying and cutting unnecessary expenses to increase your saving potential. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself. It's about gaining control over your finances. Let's dive into the essentials. The first step is understanding your income. List all your sources of income, whether it's your salary, freelance gigs, or passive income. This provides a clear picture of your financial inflow. Now, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable. Fixed expenses like rent and utilities remain constant, while variable expenses, such as dining out or entertainment, can fluctuate. Create specific spending categories, like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Assign a realistic limit to each category based on your income and financial goals. Embrace technology to make budgeting easier. There are plenty of apps that can help you track your expenses, set limits, and provide insights into your spending habits. No budget is complete without an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net can prevent financial stress in unexpected situations. Regularly review your budget. Track your spending, compare it to your initial plan, and make adjustments as needed. This ensures that your budget stays aligned with your financial goals. Budgeting is a powerful tool that empowers you to make informed financial decisions, achieve your goals, and live a stress-free financial life. Section 3. Emergency Fund. Financial safety net. Establishing an emergency fund is crucial. It acts as a safety net, preventing unexpected expenses from derailing your financial progress. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid savings account. So, what is an emergency fund? Simply put, it's a savings buffer specifically set aside for unexpected expenses. Whether it's a sudden medical bill, car repair, or unexpected job loss, having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and financial security. An emergency fund is like a financial safety net. It gives you the flexibility to handle unexpected challenges without derailing your long-term financial goals. The first step in building an emergency fund is understanding your monthly expenses. Create a realistic budget to identify areas where you can save. Start small and set achievable milestones. Aim for at least 1 month's worth of living expenses initially and gradually build it to cover 3 to 6 months. Consider opening a separate savings account for your emergency fund. This adds an extra layer of discipline, making it less tempting to dip into for non-emergencies. Section 4. Education and skill development. Invest in your education and skill development. Acquiring valuable skills can increase your earning potential over time. Investing in yourself. Recognize that you are your most valuable asset. Continuously invest in education and skill development to enhance your professional capabilities and increase your earning potential. Section 5. Entrepreneurship. Explore entrepreneurial opportunities. Starting a side hustle or a small business can provide additional income streams. Entrepreneurship. Exploring opportunities. Dive into the world of entrepreneurship. Starting a side hustle or a small business can provide additional income streams, fostering financial resilience and creativity. Section 6. Smart investing. Learn the basics of investing. Diversify your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to maximize returns and manage risk. Diversification and risk management. Learn the fundamentals of investing. Diversify your investment portfolio across stocks, bonds, and real estate to balance risk and maximize potential returns. Section 7. Networking and mentorship. Build a strong professional network and seek mentorship. Learning from those who have achieved financial success can provide invaluable insights. Building professional relationships. Cultivate a strong professional network. Seek guidance from mentors who have achieved financial success. Learning from their experiences can offer valuable insights and shortcuts to success. Section 8. Real estate investment. Real estate investment isn't just about buying and selling properties. It's a strategic wealth-building approach that requires knowledge, research, and a long-term perspective. So, let's dive right in. To start, it's crucial to understand the two primary types of real estate investment: residential and commercial. Residential properties, like homes and apartments, are often more accessible for beginners, while commercial properties, such as office buildings or retail spaces, offer potential for higher returns but may require more capital and experience. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, you need to grasp essential concepts like market analysis, property valuation, and potential risks. Knowledge truly is power in the world of real estate investment. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Real estate can provide a steady income stream through rental properties, tax advantages, and long-term appreciation. Unlike some other investments, real estate offers a tangible asset that you can see and touch. Investor. The key is to identify properties in growing markets and understand the local trends. Research is your best friend in this game. Success in real estate investment is about having a solid strategy. Whether you're into fix and flip, buy and hold, or wholesale, each approach has its own set of considerations. Diversification is also essential to mitigate risks. From single-family homes to apartment complexes, the possibilities are vast. Finding your niche and developing a well-thought-out plan is the key to a successful real estate portfolio. Section 9. Continuous learning. Stay informed about personal finance and investment trends. Continuous learning will help you make informed decisions and adapt to changing circumstances. Stay updated on personal finance and investment trends. Continuous learning equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions and adapt to the ever-changing financial landscape. Section 10. Patience and discipline. Foundations of financial success. Understand that building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. Practice patience and discipline in your financial habits. Consistency over time is the key to achieving and sustaining long-term financial success. Building wealth takes time. Practice patience and discipline in your financial habits to achieve long-term success. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, Getting rich at a young age requires a combination of financial knowledge, discipline, and strategic planning. Stay focused, stay committed, and let your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content.